Today is Wednesday, January 7th, and we're on page 30 for our prepositions. Number 1, after the party, Dave left to sleep in his tent. So the first thing I see is after the party, and in his tent are my prepositional phrases. After and in are my prepositions. Party and tent are my nouns. The is an adjective that describes party, and his is an adjective that describes tent. I also see the word to, so I want to check that. Look to the right. To sleep. Sleep is something we can do, so I want to double underline it and put a V for verb. Now I'm going to find my action, or my main verb is left. Then I'm going to ask myself who left, and that would be Dave. So Dave is our subject. Number 2, Jane likes the playground with the swings. So I see my prepositional phrase is with the swings, so we want to squiggle that. With is the preposition, swings is the noun, and the is the adjective that describes swings. Now I want to look for my main verb, and that's likes. So double underline, MV for main verb, and who likes? Jane likes. Number 3, Craig likes to slide on the ice in the park. So the first thing I see is the word to, so I want to check that. Look to the right, slide is a verb, so I want to double underline and put a V. And continue on. On the ice and in the park are prepositional phrases. So on and in are prepositions. Ice and park are nouns. The is an adjective that describes ice, and the is an adjective that describes park. And then I want to find my action, or main verb, which is likes, similar to number 2. So double underline, MV for main verb, and then who likes? This time it's Craig. So one underline, SUBJ for our subject. And last one, number 4. In the winter, Jack skates on the pond in the park. All right, so the first thing I see is in. So in the winter, on the pond, and in the park are all prepositional phrases. Prepositions are in, on, and in. Nouns are winter, pond, and park. Adjectives are the. Don't worry, Mr. Florence just making an announcement there. Adjective is the describing winter, the describing pond, and the describing park. Now I'm going to look for my main verb, which is skates, so double underline, MV. Who skates? Jack skates, so one underline, and then our abbreviation for subject. All right, go ahead and do number 5 and 6 tonight on your own. And I heard tonight is supposed to be very, very, very cold. So I'm going to draw a little snowman, because we might get a little bit of snow, but even still, it's going to be very cold. So I'll give him a little smile and a hat. So right there for you. Okay.